Item 5.4, adoption of the information that supports the consultation document for the annual plan 2017 and 18. Mrs. Ariel King. Good afternoon, Ariel.
Okay, so this item precedes the consultation, adoption of the consultation document item itself, and the purpose of that is just to ensure that the information that supports that consultation document has been adopted by Council. So there's a series of information that supports that consultation document. The first is the agenda item that you adopted on the 13th of April regarding the proposal for the building. And the information that was included in an agenda item for the proposed funding for Go Tongariro. There's also the information that supports this item here, which is around the draft financials, and also the assessment report, which we took you through when we went through the workshops. So that information is what supports the following item, and we just need the adoption of this before we move on to the next one.
Okay, thank you, Ariel. Councillor Williamson.
Through the Chair, just on page 58, regarding the bus bay on Waikato Street, that's the Taupo-Kaingaroa College, is that on Hooker Street or Waikato Street? It's Hooker Street.
It is Waikato Street.
Okay.
Roundabout.
Yeah, it's Waikato, yeah.
Around the back of the college.
Yeah, at the very end.
One that runs down the hill.
Oh, yeah, that's past the cemetery, on the cemetery. There'll be a bus bay there, okay.
Yeah, Hooker Street's the one that runs up.
Yeah, where the bus bays are presently.
Cherry Island.
College.
Up the hill.
I know where Waikato Street is, but I thought all the buses presently are on Hooker Street. They go into Hooker Street, right at the back of the college.
I'll just pay to check that, Ariel.
Yeah, I'm happy to.
It might be Waikato / Hooker. Yeah. Councillor Park?
Yes, just on the same page as Councillor Williamson, the bottom one, the LED light installation for 2.5 million. In the explanation box, it says that NZTA have offered to co-fund at 85%, meaning the council's contributions probably got too many zeros.
Well done.
Thank you. Yeah.
Chocolate fish?
You're very astute, Councillor.
Just further to that, Your Worship. So the laneway lighting funded from Town Centre Taupo, will that be leaded lights as well, or do we know? Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Councillor Harvey?
Can I ask, please, just an update on the Norman Smith Street intersection investigation, my favourite topic. Have we started that? Are we underway with that?
Dennis. Good afternoon, Dennis.
Right, can we start it on the 1st of July?
With the money.
We confirmed it. Councillor Cousins.
Just on that LED that Councillor Park brought up, that is district-wide, is it? District-wide?
Oh, apologies.
2.5 million on
2.5 million.
page 58.
Yes.
Is the LED installation district-wide?
Yes.
Brilliant. And maybe you might be... I'm not too sure who it goes to. Page 59 with the old bowling green. How much land is the old bowling green?
Mr. Wood.
Well, it's, I don't know what's, Barry, I don't know physically how big it will be, but
I don't know.
80 square, yeah, it's not, I mean,
it's not an acre. It's not an acre.
No, it's part of the reserve management plan anyway, was to take back that third bowling green. The idea was to redevelop that, but because there's quite a few question marks out there, we've decided just to sit back a bit and just wait. It's reserve land though.
Yeah.
It's reserved, yeah.
So there's more land in the Tongariro domain, well there will be, than we anticipated. Is what I'm trying to ascertain is exactly how much there is, because it all
It's part of the domain, but it was leased to the bowling club,
Yeah,
and we've taken it back.
Yeah.
And the last thing was, just want clarification, in regards to the 17-18 plan of our debt, it's 144 million on page 57, but I had a funny feeling it was 140, then someone, I think it might have been Neil, was it 148, or am I completely wrong? Sorry. It was 148? So does that mean that 144 has to be amended, or I don't know? That's correct, okay, all right, thank you.
Councillor Jollins.
Thank you, Your Worship. Just one question from me on page 62. The $1 million that's been set aside for the future of the main building, or signalled in the annual plan, what's the scope for that, please?
The scope is around the investigations and consenting and design process, and part of that will, I think, will also include the relocation.
Okay, any other questions of Ariel? All right. Suggested recommendation there. Consultation document 1 and 2. Could I have a mover, please, for that? Councillor Williamson, thank you. Moved by Councillor Williamson, seconded by Councillor Park. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried.